And last fourth one is the utility based agent. So utility, upayuktata, usefulness, or like that. So four types of agents are there, and the natural. So later we shall talk about the remaining part of this unit. So let me go ahead. As I told you, so this is the textbook. I am putting this on FTP site. I am going to give you the IP address. I hope you have noted last time. So this is a standard textbooks. I am putting the PDF of this book uh, on the FTP site, file transfer protocol of college site. So you can log into that system. It is a Linux system. You can telnet it, you can putty it, you can SSH it. You will learn what is that SSH and telnet and all that. Means you can remotely log into this system and you can do the programming. You can run some programs on this remote system, which is available in campus. So right now you don't have username, but I will give usernames, try to give usernames to typical group of students uh, so that you can remotely log into the system. Even you can use your mobile phone to log into that server, that is a departmental server. So this is a photograph of that book. You can download it. So this book is sufficient. You don't need to read a lot many books because this is a quite, as I told you, that this is a internationally renowned book, Miss author. These are the internationally renowned authors. So the book is almost used by all universities, standard universities like Harvard, Stanford, Carnegie Mellon University, even MIT. So even you can go to these universities and their sites, and you can get some code, you can get some study material, you can get video recorded lectures of those people. Those are the very knowledgeable people. You can download, you can learn. Otherwise, you can go to directly to the YouTube channel and you can download relevant part of lectures in Hindi, English, Marathi, or whatever. So you will get everything. But stick to your syllabus. So now this is the screenshot. I hope I request you to send me the screenshot of your side so that I will understand what exactly you are able to see, how clearly you are able to see. I can next time I can manage the size of font and pictures and all that. So please send me on my WhatsApp uh, screenshot. You can take screenshot from your mobile phone or even in desktop. In desktop, you have to press shift key and the print screen is there. You can take it and you can send. So anyway, so if you use Firefox browser, you can see something like this. There are many folders. So lectures are there, video lectures are there, PPT study material is there, and class PPTs are there. Even there are many large number of folders like B underscore CSE. You will get study material for various subjects like computer network, software engineering, whatever I have taught here in this department. And if you go to the public folder on the same side, there is a pub is there. So you can get softwares like Hadoop, Apache Spark, lot many softwares, open source softwares which are used for data science or machine learning or data analytics. You will get certain material, how to install them, how to use them, like all that you will get there. So I hope you are able to understand. I will share my YouTube link. So I will try to record every lecture, and I will try to put it on the YouTube channel as well as those video lectures on same FTP server. So you can download it. Even you can, if you wish, you can subscribe or you can like it. See, I'm not doing business, but if you are missing, if you miss some lecture, you can go there. I will try to put all, not all the lectures. Some relevant lectures I will try to put. So I hope you got. So before going ahead, let me try to learn what is a PuTTY and what is WinSCP. I hope there might be some students who are familiar. So PuTTY is some software, you can download it. You can download it on from our FTP site. There is a tools folder is there. In tools folder, there are some, so depending on 32-bit, 64-bit version of your OS on your laptop, you can download it. Or those people who want to download for mobile phone, they can download it from Play Store. So if the lecture is for 1 hour, it may happen. So you can always download and you can skip some part. Whatever important is there, you can repeat it and you can go ahead. Means within 5 or 7 minutes, you can get the crux of any lecture if you view that particular video properly. So I hope you should visit. There is one more alternative. You already have Microsoft 365 login name and password with you. You can directly log into the office site, office.com, and from there also you can download study material, whatever I am going to put on FTP site. So hope you are able to see complete PPT on your screen. Now let us go ahead. So today we are going to understand what is an intelligence, artificial intelligence, what AI can do, and what is in this syllabus. So as I told you, it is a second year, so it is a fundamental basics are there. You don't have to miss. There is no programming and all that. But if you go through concepts, if you understand the concepts, then you can utilize it, because in higher semesters like 7th or 8th semester or maybe 6th semester, you may have advanced subject of AI or machine learning. So same fundamental prerequisites will be used there. So this subject is typically for concept building. So you might have seen movies, sci-fi movies, scientific fiction movies. Even you might have read some action thriller novels, stories. So whatever you see means there are some intelligent systems who takes decisions on their own. So for example, this is a picture of Star Wars. I hope everybody is familiar. मुझे बताइए किसने स्टार वॉर्स नाम का बहुत पुराना मूवी है, बहुत सारे सीरियल्स भी थे इसके ऊपर में, स्टार चैनल पे या स्टार मूवीज या बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं, मेरे ख्याल से आपके में से सभी ने देखा है. So there are these are the two robots and they are interacting just like human. They are sharing their experiences of their mission, whatever the mission is there. So that is something is AI, artificial intelligence. So what we are trying to make our machines or our software. See, AI doesn't mean or AI doesn't mean so only hardware. It can be a software code also. Algorithm. It can be algorithm. Algorithm is an example of software. To try to understand what is a software and program. Normally, program is a single program which contains only code. But software means multiple programs can be there. Even a software can contain multiple languages, like some code might be written in Python and some might be written in Java and some part of the code might be written in assembly language or some basic language like C. So whatever the software is there, software has something called as the input and something is the output. So it may be input can be anything. It can be image or some number or whatever. And output can be anything. It may be graph or some another image like. So that thing is there. So software should think like human, and it should give the result or respond like a human. That is something is AI. See, I will be giving you standard definition in your book. There is a standard definition of AI. There are many people who have given the standard definition. There is no fixed and only one definition. So it depends on how you परस्यू मतलब आप आकलन कैसा करते हैं उसका, उसके ऊपर में डिपेंड है. For example, this is a Terminator picture. I don't know, but I hope everybody knows Arnold Schwarzenegger. He was a Senate member and mayor of American City, and he was a famous bodybuilder, world champion. He won world championship for 6 or 7 times. So I think you should watch such movies 3 or 4 times, maybe more than that, to get the insight. So this is a robot, and it is that robot is a something villain-like thing, and it is in war. So in war, soldier has to take decisions depending on the mission. Again, this is another movie, that is a Matrix. I hope you have seen that movie. So can anyone? Okay, I will not ask today. So again, Matrix, 2 parts are there, Matrix 1 and 2. You watch that movie. So there is something that alien invasion is there, and the human team tries to means defend their planet or humanity and all that. Clone and all the technology is there. They are using dreams like and algorithms for fighting with the aliens, because we don't know how aliens are there. So that is the theme of the picture. So to enhance your thinking and that, I suggest you always watch some movies. It will definitely refresh you, as well as it will give you typically Hollywood movies, not Indian movies, because they are still poor in animation, graphics, sound, and all that. But if you go in movie theater, right now it is not possible, but you can watch. I hope that many people have Netflix at their home. Again, this is another movie. Try to find the name of the movie. I think there are Iron Man. Iron Man is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. Uh, I know that there are many students who are a fan of that hero, Iron Man. Uh, his walking style and talking style or whatever. I think you might have seen Avenger and all that. But what I want to say is that they are using something like machine-like things or robot-like things, or they are using software and computers to take intelligent decisions, good decisions, right decisions, uh, uh, better than humans. Human also take the decisions, no matter, but it may happen that he may take wrong decisions sometimes, depending on, because humans suffer from many drawbacks like emotion, tension, and all those things. He may be engaged in some other thing. He cannot handle multiple things. So machines can do better. I have taken the example of airplane landing and takeoff. So to avoid human errors, we use computers nowadays. So so AI is nothing but it is a kind of science. It is a, don't think what is science and engineering. You know you are engineers, but do never underestimate the science, physics. There are many fields like social science is there. So science is something which creates, innovates things. Engineers do not innovate; they just give solutions for some problems, like bridge building, building a bridge on a big river, or building a some railway track in a terrain or woods or forest like. So it is expected that the software or machine or firmware, whatever is there, it should think like a people. It should act like a people. Means it should take decisions on its own. Because we suppose that the data is there, knowledge base is there. It is just like a database. So previous information, historic data is there, historic information is there, events are there in the database or knowledge base. And depending on previous experiences, the machine or software takes the decision like a normal human. Now we shall talk about what is the rationality. So the AI application should think rationally. So rationally, you know what is that? It is a tarkasangat, logical. मतलब right thing. You should think or you should do only right things. Right means बराबर बातें करना चाहिए. तो दैट इज थिंग मीन्स गलत टाइप का सोचना भी हो सकता है, अच्छा टाइप का भी सोचना हो सकता है. तो रैशनल थिंकिंग इज दैट थिंग. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग. यू कैन यूज डिक्शनरी आल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड द रैशनलिटी और रैशनल मीन्स व्हाट. So act rationally means to take right action. If there is some event or action, there is some occurrence of some event, then one should act right way. मान लो आपके किसी घर में से जो आपके एल्डर है, बड़े भाई, पिताजी या मदर, शी स्कोल्ड्स यू, आपको डांटती है किसी गलती के ऊपर में, तो आपने उसको राइट तरीके से रिस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए. अगर आपकी माँ या आपके पिताजी बड़े आवाज़ में बात करते हैं पर आप भी उन्हीं को उसी टाइप से आर्गुमेंट फेंक के मारते हो, तो ये मतलब राइट थिंग नहीं है. तो दैट इज समथिंग रैशनैलिटी. लेकिन अगर आपका दुश्मन, आपकी अपोजिंग पार्टी अगर आपसे ऊपर में स्कोल्डिंग करता है, फायरिंग करता है, मतलब फायरिंग मतलब बातों की गालियाँ देता है, तो आप उसको उसी तरीके से जवाब दे सकते हैं. लेकिन एल्डर्स के मामले में, रिलेटिव्स के मामले में, जिसका कोई दोष नहीं है, उसके मामले में हम लोगों ने ऐसा करना नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्ट रैशनली. तो आपके दुश्मन के साथ में आपका बिहेवियर अलग रहेगा, लेकिन आपका एल्डर, आपकी कोई गलती है, आपको डांट रहा है, आपको मार रहा है, तो आपको उसको उस तरीके से हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड. You must respond it, but you should do in the right way. So that is called as a rationality. Means thinking right way is a rationality, and acting right way, I have taken the example, is a rationality. So these are the four things. We can define AI. Means AI can be a machine which thinks like a people. AI can be a software or a machine which can act like a people. AI can be a machine or software which can think rationally, right thing, and it can take right actions, act rationally. So this is the definition, but you will get the good definition from your book. I will be providing it. So AI is nothing but it is a science that makes the machine that can do these four things. So this could be the definition. Now I will not talk about it. This is slide. Just if you wish, you can read the slide. So think like a people, act like a people, and think like rationally means that I will talk later. So कॉग्निटिव साइंस करके एक वर्ड है उसमें. तो कॉग्निशन मीन्स आकलन. आपके पास में क्या है? आंखें है, कान है, मुंह है, जबान है, स्किन है आपके पास में. इट टेक्स द इनपुट फ्रॉम द एनवायरमेंट. ठंडा है, गर्म है, जो भी है. आंखों से यू गेट अ विजन. फ्रॉम ईयर यू गेट द साउंड इनपुट. So you are receiving input. तो आपके दिमाग में कुछ एक नॉलेज है, there is a knowledge base. It is based on your previous experiences or your elders taught you. And there are different types of knowledges. Some knowledges you learn from your own, जैसे साइकिल चलाना, कार चलाना. This is also a knowledge. But you have experience, your own experience. Suppose you can drive Activa, scooter. You have that knowledge. If you have that knowledge, then you can easily drive motorcycle. No matter, in motorcycle there is a clutch, gear and all that, brakes, different things are there. उसका बैठने का तरीका भी अलग है, but still you can do it because you have previous knowledge. So that is something called as a cognitive science. Neuroscience is something different. It is related with the neurons in the brain. These are the cells which stores information and which processes information, just like our CPU. In CPU, we can do addition, subtraction, all that operations. In RAM, we store the information like that. तो न्यूरोसाइंस में वैसा होता है. न्यूरल में क्या होता है? न्यूरॉन में इट इज न्यूरॉन which stores information as well as it can process the information. Process means compute भी करता है वो, like that. That is there. So act like people means, as I given example, and I have also given the example. See, there are lot many things are there, philosophy, psychology, economics, and all that. Right now, it is not the time to talk about that. But if you wish, anybody can raise their hand and they can put their question in a chat box, or he can unmute his mic and he can speak or ask a question if you wish. And I will be very happy if you ask questions. So I hope you are able to see that slide completely on your end. And so I will go to the next slide. So it is a science of making machines that can do 4 things. Now, this is the picture. Actually, I am not talking about it, but it is a picture. Means some kind of robot is there. It is observing something, say some photograph or scanned image, and taking some decisions, just like a people. So you know that we watch our neighbors, friends, parents, people where we live in a classroom. We watch our friends and we try to do like them. So that is like act like a people. So we learn a lot of the things by watching others, just like a cycle or a motorcycle. So that machine AI should act like a people. Then think means rationally means there are philosophers. See, philosophers हर एक को थिंक करना पड़ता है. अगर आप जिस दिन थिंक करना बंद करेंगे, मुझे आपको पूछना है, कोई भी आंसर दे सकता है. प्रतीक्षा जी आप है? प्रतीक्षा पाटिल, can you make your mic on? Or I can call Divya Agrawal. अच्छा, प्रतीक्षा मला सांगा की आपल्या ब्रेन मध्ये आपण झोपलो असतो तरी थिंकिंग बंद होते का?
No, sir.
हाँ. When you stop thinking,
No, it's
right? When we stop thinking, it means we are dead. So this I'm just giving some kind of insight. Thinking is there. There is always thinking until we are live. But there are different types of thinking. For example, Plato, you might have heard about Aristotle, Gautam Buddha. So there are many philosophers. So they think different way. They they are expert in particular domain, and they think in different way. They have their own observations, and they teach us their teachings, whatever they learn from their thinking, and we act. जैसे हम लोग यीशु क्रिस्त को फॉलो करते हैं, गौतम बुद्ध को फॉलो करते हैं, कबीर जी को फॉलो करते हैं, गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी को फॉलो करते हैं, तो वो फिलोसफी अलग है. दैट सो लेकिन कैसा, यू शुड थिंक राइट ओनली, वी शुड थिंक राइट. So that is the concept of rationality, to thinking a right thing, and this is the act rationally. I have talked about it. I will talk later about it. So these are the four things, which means AI. So, but try to get a single definition, single line definition, or 2-3 lines definition. So this is a one way. कि भाई, these are the domains. Act like a human, think like a human. This is one way of thinking about the machine learning or AI. And act rationally and think rationally. This is another way. Means actually four things are there. They are clubbed to each other. But acting like a human and thinking like a human means AI, artificial intelligence, or acting like a rationally or thinking rationally can be AI. Like that. So AI is a discipline. Discipline is it's a branch of knowledge, like computer science, electronics engineering, social science, history, like that. Arts means not only art, drawing art and all that. Arts is a different discipline. You call it a BA or something, BAMA, like. So AI itself is a discipline. It is not simply, it is definitely a part of computer science, but AI itself is a discipline. Software engineering itself is a discipline. It is a separate branch of knowledge or science. So it is a discipline that systemizes and automates. Automates means वो सब automatically करता है. So it is a discipline that systemizes and automates reasoning process to create machines that act like a humans, think like a human, act rationally, think rationally. So I suggest, as I told you, that always take some screenshots on your mobile phone or desktop, keep it in some folder, unit 1, unit 2, like that, or you try to have some pen or diary with you and always write some standard keywords from slides. Otherwise, you can download from lecture PPTs. Now, this slide might be visible or may not be visible to you, but try to read it. So there are, see, AI का definition देने के लिए मतलब AI मतलब is not today's subject. Even though you may think that कि AI is a recent technology or a subject like or science, it is not that. Right from 1940, 1956, people started to think about it. Even before the advanced computerization, automation, all of the railway and all that, or offices, people were thinking about AI. So there are some references. So machines will work like a mind. Machine can be anything. It can be not. It doesn't mean that machine is a simply electronic thing. It can be electromechanical. It can be simply a mechanical. I hope you know about the Babbage machine, Charles Babbage machine, or Google it later, or Turing machine. Alan Turing is the name of the scientist who had that concept, Alan Turing machine. You will learn in TOC in last unit, theory of computation. There is a subject. What is a Turing machine? So Turing machine is a very advanced concept, mathematical concept of human intelligence. It can, you can program it, you can store program in that Turing machine, like finding a factorial of a number, finding a square of a number, or you can do some decision making problems on the Turing machine, and that machine will give you answers. So that is there. So what I want to say is that if you have machine which can store information or data or knowledge, and if you have some program, so that program will work on that data or knowledge or information and take some decisions. So that is called the human thinking. Acting humanly means it is a study of how to make computers do the things at which at moment people are better. जैसे आपको किसी ने धक्का देके पानी में गिरा दिया, पता नहीं आपको तैरना आता या नहीं, फिर भी आप सर्वाइव करने के लिए कुछ कोशिश करते हैं और इसमें से बचने की कोशिश करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि तैरना नहीं आता करके आप डूब ही जाते हर बार, ऐसा नहीं होता. सो कोई लोग क्या करते हैं, हम हाथ पाँव मारते हैं, हिलाते हैं, या कोई भी करीब की चीज को पकड़ लेते हैं डूबने से बचने के लिए. तो ये इसका तो कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिला रहता हमको, ये तो अचानक हो गया है ना. इसी टाइप से मशीन ने भी एक्ट करना चाहिए, एक्ट ह्यूमनली. तो उसमें प्यार भी आता है, मोहब्बत भी आती है, प्लस कुछ एक्शंस भी आती हैं फॉर सर्वाइव. आफ्टर ऑल वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर सर्वाइवल. हम लोग काम क्यों करते हैं? I will ask this question to anyone like Sanket Deshmukh. Sanket.
Yes, sir.
आपण काम का बरं करतो? Why we do work?
भविष्यासाठी.
Right. भविष्यासाठी, आराम करण्यासाठी, क्योंकि तुम्हारा दिमाग में ऐसा रहता ना कि भाई मैं 8 घंटे 12 घंटे काम करूंगा, फिर मेरा पगार बढ़ेगा, या मेरी इंडस्ट्री बहुत तरक्की करेंगी, मैं पैसा कमाऊंगा और पैसे से मैं बहुत बड़ा टीवी लूंगा, एसी लूंगा, घर में बैठ के टांगा फैला के टीवी देखूंगा, चाय पीऊंगा, जो भी है, होटलिंग करूंगा, बड़ी बड़ी कार में घूमूंगा. सो वी वांट समथिंग फॉर आवर मे बी लग्जरी और मे बी आवर जो भी है नीड्स के लिए. लास्ट में हम क्या करते हैं? काम न करने के लिए काम करते हैं. राइट. देखो हमारे पास में रिमोट आया, क्यों आया? पुराने जमाने में टीवी जो था उसके चैनल बदलने के लिए बार बार आपको टीवी के पास में उठ के जाना पड़ता था. You have to go there, you have to change, move that knob. Nowadays there are electronic buttons, you have to just push it. पर पुराने जमाने में से रोटर टाइप के बटन्स रहने के. You have to increase volume, decrease volume, like that. कुछ लेवल्स ऐसे आप डाउन करने पड़ते थे, जैसे गियर रहता है, स्विच ऑन ऑफ ऐसे. तो हमने ज़्यादा काम किया और हमने रिमोट का इन्वेंशन किया. रिमोट वर्क्स ऑन IR technology, infrared technology. There are many technology like Bluetooth is there, Wi-Fi is there. You will learn later on. There is a difference. तो हम क्या करते हैं? बैठे बैठे रिमोट से चैनल बदलते हैं, क्योंकि हमने काम किया है भाई उसके लिए, रिमोट का इन्वेंशन करने के लिए. और जिसने काम नहीं किया उसके पास में कैपिटल होता है, पैसा होता है, वो खुद रिमोट हाथ से थोड़ी सोल्डरिंग करता है, वो परचेस करता है मार्केट से. सो ये नहीं है. तो हम लोग हमारे काम निपटाने के लिए मशीन्स का इन्वेंशन करते हैं. जैसे मतलब फ्लोर वॉशिंग, क्लॉथ वॉशिंग मशीन, और फ्लोर का क्लीनर, ऑटोमेटिक रोबोटिक क्लीनर, वो घर पूरा झाड़ के रख देता है, क्लीन करता है, लाइक दैट. सो इट शुड एक्ट लाइक ह्यूमन, इट शुड टेक डिसीजंस प्रॉपरली. जैसे मतलब पलंग के नीचे, सोफे के नीचे झाड़ू मारना है, तो रोबोट शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट टू डू. उसने कुछ तो भी झुक के कुछ तो भी करना चाहिए, झोड़ा झाड़ू अंदर लेके जाना चाहिए, लाइक दैट. उसको पता होना चाहिए कि भाई कचरा कौन सी जगह पे कॉमनली रहता है. जैसे कॉर्नर में, जो भी आपके कॉर्नर रहते हैं रूम्स के, वहाँ पे कचरा वगैरह रह सकता है कुछ कारण से, तो उनको वहाँ पे पहले ये करना चाहिए. तो एक्ट लाइक ह्यूमन. तो जो भी आपका मशीन है, सॉफ्टवेयर है, इट शुड एक्ट लाइक ह्यूमन, इट शुड टेक डिसीजन लाइक ह्यूमन. सेम थिंग इज देयर with rationality, thinking like rationality. So what is rationality? I said that it is a tarka sangatpana, logical reasoning. So system is rational if it does the right thing given what it knows. तो हम लोगों को हमारे पास में सेंसर्स है, आँख, मुंह, कान, नाक वगैरह जो भी है, स्किन. We take input from the environment. We see, we hear, we take input from the environment. And depending on that, we take some actions. We think and we take some actions like that. So this is rationality. A system is rational if it does the right things given what it knows. Given means it takes something from the environment and takes decision rationally. So I will not bore it, but you have to go through the definition because these are the, you see the dates, years, 1978, 1985, 1985, 1998, like that. So जो भी टर्म्स है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स है, वो जैसे जैसे टाइम जाता है वैसे वैसे वो रिफाइन होते हैं, रिवाइज होते हैं, उसमें चेंजेस आते हैं. जैसे आपका सॉफ्टवेयर, मान लो आप विंडोज 10 यूज़ करते हैं, वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट होता है. So every machine has different version of Windows. Still, main version is Windows 10. But if you run the winver command, so there is called as a build version. So you get some number. You can always type on your command prompt winver, WINVER. This is a command to get your exactly build number of your operating system. So every operating system like Android or Windows or Linux, it has special command to know the exact build number of particular software. So these are the definitions. Means you cannot define AI only in one line. There are 4 different ways or categories through which we can define AI. That's what I want to tell you. So let us go ahead. So this is homework. You can download it, take the screenshot. Even you can send me your screenshot to me so that I will understand. Everybody gets clear picture of myself as well as a PPT on your end. So try to write in your own words what is AI, which mobile app uses AI. आपके फोन के ऊपर में बहुत सारे ऐप है. Try to learn which app uses AI technology on your phone. अगर नहीं है तो आप गूगल प्ले स्टोर से AI बेस्ड ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए, उसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिए how it works. So it will give you good understanding of AI application. Application doesn't mean that it only works on mobile phone. It can work on anywhere, in car or anywhere. Then try to understand why AI is important in IT industry. Nowadays you have seen, right from automobile industry to any industry. तो कार का कारखाना है तो कार पेंटिंग इज डन बाय रोबोट्स. इट इज डन इन क्वालिटी विथ प्रिसीजन. प्रिसीजन मीन्स बहुत ही एग्जैक्ट तरीके से, स्पेसिफिकेशन के तरीके से कलरिंग होता है. जो कोट रहता है कलर का, वो उसका थिकनेस स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो किया जाता है. अगर आप एक आधे ह्यूमन को बोलते हैं कि आप मेरी गाड़ी को फलाना फलाना कलर मार दो, वो मारेगा, बराबर मारेगा, उसमें कोई बात नहीं. ही कैन बी एक्सपर्ट पेंटर, लेकिन जो उसका जो टेक्निकली करेक्टनेस जो है, तो कहीं पे कलर थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा, कहीं पे थोड़ा सा फीका रहेगा, कहीं पे 2 या 3 हाथ मार देगा वो, कहीं पे 2 ही मारेगा, लाइक दैट. तो it will not be uniform. So in that sense, try to understand which are the areas in industry. It may be a leather industry, it may be automobile industry, it may be anything. Even software production. Software production में मतलब जो कंपनी में सॉफ्टवेयर बनता है, like TCS or Infosys, they also use AI applications for their productivity. It's increasing their productivity or managing or controlling their productivity. Productivity means to create softwares, good quality softwares in less time or something. So AI is applicable to software industry as well as any industry. everywhere, right from your cycle to mobile car. And what is the role of AI in automation of anything? Anything means you think what you want to think. Means it may be education, it may be healthcare sector, it may be like railway or uh, air airplane traffic management or something. So you, if you think, then you will reveal things. That's the objective of homework. Now, this is another slide through which we shall try to understand. I think we have only 7-8 minutes. I will finish. So this is one again diagram. So you can explain AI or you can define AI with these three things, like human is there, computer is there, and some intelligent behavior is there. It may be hardware, it may be software or whatever, right? Don't think always, don't try to judge something. You have to first understand it conceptually. And all these three things are interacting with each other. Means computer is giving some input to the human is giving some input to the computer. Human is interacting with the some intelligent agent or behavior, or agent is interacting with the computer or something like that. So AI means what? It is a reproduction. जैसे human करता है उसको reproduce करना, like that. How, what do you do in exam? You read, you learn, you understand in your mind. When there is a question in your question paper, you answer it as per your knowledge. That's it. That's it. So, so you are, what you are doing? You reproduce the answer of any question while writing. आप ऐसा नहीं कि भाई किताब में जो पढ़ा एग्जैक्टली वैसा कर वैसा कॉमा टू कॉमा आप लिखते हैं, वैसा नहीं करते आप खुद का भी थॉट डालते हैं, कुछ रटा हुआ भी रहता है आपका, मतलब रटा हुआ आपको समझ में आ गया, like that. So AI is nothing but it is a reproduction of human reasoning and intelligent behavior. Reasoning means logicalness, and intelligent behavior means it is related with the action, human actions by computational methods. See, this is very important definition. All words are concepts. Computational methods को देखिए, अगर मैं आपको पूछता हूँ कि why it is called as a mobile computing, इसमें computing क्या होता है, so you should be able to answer. When you understand the concept of algorithm, when you understand the concept of data in terms of parameters, parameter बहुत सारे रह सकते हैं, P1, P2, P3, P4 as a input to the algorithm, और आउटपुट आता है, आउटपुट भी एक रह सकता है या 2-3 रह सकते हैं, लाइक दैट. मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ तो भी कंप्यूटेशन होता है, लाइक. So there are different computational models are there. Means some mathematical models are there. You will learn that later, that Bayesian model and lot many models are there. The graphs are there. Statistics is there. Lot many things is there to understand the word computing, computational model or computing. जैसे cloud computing. Cloud computing में compute क्या होता है? Compute मतलब doesn't mean that addition, subtraction and division. It is more than that. मतलब we store some information somewhere, we access that information, retrieve that information, we do some computation, maybe AND or XOR or whatever, some operations on that data, and we perform something according to our algorithm. There are thousands types of algorithms. So that thing is called as the computation. So anyway, so AI doesn't mean कि भाई आप जैसे का तैसा बनाना चाहते हैं, ह्यूमन जैसा है वैसा ही आप बना ही नहीं सकते. ह्यूमन जैसा दिखता है, जैसा उसको परसेप्शन होता है देखने के बाद में. मान लो कोई सीन है या एक आधी पहाड़ी के ऊपर में गया, हिल स्टेशन पे. अब हिल स्टेशन पे गया तो देखिए, जैसा हर एक को मतलब एक ये रहता है, किसी को नेचर पसंद रहता है, टेरियन माउंटेन, पहाड़ी अच्छी लगती है। जब वो वहाँ का दृश्य दिखता है, ही सी सीनरी और ब्यूटीफुलनेस ऑफ नेचर, तो उसके मन में कुछ तो भी भावनाएं आती है, राइट। इट डिपेंड्स वेदर ही लाइक्स और नॉट। किसी को कोई टाइप का म्यूजिक पसंद रहता है, और वही म्यूजिक अगर दूसरा आदमी अगर सुनता है तो उसे जान पे आता है, वो बोलता है कि भाई गाना चेंज करो, है कि नहीं। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है कि एवरी ह्यूमन इज डिफरेंट, एवरी ह्यूमन इज डिफरेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग। आपका आपके घर के साथ में, घर वालों के साथ में कैसा बिहेवियर, आपके फ्रेंड के साथ में कैसा है, फेसबुक में आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है, ट्विटर पे कैसा है, एवरीथिंग इज डिफरेंट। ट्रू नहीं है वो। फेसबुक में आप बहुत अच्छे बताते खुद को, कपड़े वगैरह, ये स्टाइल वगैरह सब, लेकिन रियलिटी में हो सकता है कि आप नहाते भी ना हो रोज, ऐसा हो सकता है। या आप फेसबुक में बताते हैं आपकी वही, मतलब दैट इज स्टूडियो इमेज। स्टूडियो इमेज मीन्स फॉल्स इमेज, कि मुझे म्यूजिक पसंद है, मुझे आर्ट पसंद है, मुझे आई लाइक ड्राइंग एंड ऑल दैट। लेकिन आप अगर आपको बोला कि भाई किसी के पास पेंसिल से स्केच बना के दे, तो आपको नहीं निकालते आता, लाइक दैट। सो दैट थिंग इज देयर। व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज दैट कि इट इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू मेक ह्यूमन एक्ट एंड थिंक लाइक अ मशीन। आप एग्जैक्टली ह्यूमन तो बना नहीं सकते, आप बनाएंगे भी तो वो अलग ही रहेगा। बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू, all humans are different. They are itself book like a book. Books are different. उसका जो मैसेज रहता है उसके अंदर का, that is also different. But there are broadly certain things are there which are common in all us. So AI is an attempt of reproduction of human reasoning and intelligent behavior. So that is something called as a AI. So friends, I will stop after the slide, but you can ask, see, don't hesitate. You can ask any question. It doesn't mean that your question should be on exactly on the topic. You can ask any question which you think that it is relevant to our subject or course or syllabus. You can always ask. Even syllabus के बाहर का रहा तो भी चलेगा, डिपार्टमेंट के बाहर का भी रहेगा तो चलेगा. You can ask questions. Anyway, so this is a URL given, YouTube URL. So it is the name of the movie Hall, HAL. You can watch the clip of that movie. तो ये मूवी में क्या है कि एक शिप है, मतलब स्पेस शिप, उसमें क्रू है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं उसमें, और मशीन इंटेलिजेंटली डेस्टिनेशन का रास्ता वगैरह सब तय करती है, शिप में का एनवायरनमेंट कंट्रोल करती है, मतलब क्लाउड वेदर, इसको ठंडा गर्म एसी, जैसे एसी रहता है वैसा। और शिप में अगर कुछ खराबी आती है, स्पेस शिप में अगर कुछ खराबी आती है तो उसको ऑटोमेटिकली डिटेक्ट भी करती है और सजेस्ट करती है क्रू को या इंजीनियर्स को, भाई वहाँ पर जाकर पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम है, आप उसको रिपेयर कीजिए, लाइक दैट. सो इट इज ए इंटेलिजेंट स्पेसशिप. तो आप वो मूवी, आई डोंट वांट टू से दैट कि यू वॉच दैट मूवी, बट थ्रू दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि what is the meaning of AI. Means your machine is acting like a human. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई जैसे शिप को कैप्टन होता है, जैसे इट में भी कैप्टन कैप्टन का ऑर्डर सब फॉलो कर दे, राइट. यू कैनॉट आर्ग्यू योर कैप्टन इन मिलिट्री और समवेयर, बट देर आर सम सिचुएशंस वेयर कैप्टन को भी थोड़ा डेमोक्रेटिक तरीके से ही रहना पड़ता है, तो शिप गाइड्स द कैप्टन रिगार्डिंग द कोर्स इन स्पेस. सो ये एक मूवी है, हम बाद में बात करेंगे. सो I am going to end here. I will stop, but this is a very interesting movie. You might have seen lot many movies are there. This is older movie, 2001 movie. लेकिन I suggest you try to watch the sci-fi movies. You will get good insight. Because see, whatever we imagine in our books or articles in newspaper or anywhere. So Hollywood people implements them through animation, and we can learn the things, lot many things, and definitely it enhances our thinking. अगर मुझे नहीं पता कि आपने एआई के ऊपर में कितनी किताबें पढ़े या लेक्चर सुने, लेकिन एक किताब पढ़ने से आपका काम नहीं होने वाला, एक मूवी पढ़ने से काम नहीं होने वाला, एक मूवी देखने से या 10 मूवी देखने से काम नहीं होने वाला। तो आपको बहुत सारा काम करना पड़ेगा, प्लस प्रोग्रामिंग करनी पड़ेगी, तब आपका उसका एक एक आपके पास में एक ये आ जाएगा जिससे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एआई एंड व्हाट वी कैन डू एंड व्हाट वी कैन नॉट डू, लाइक दैट। तो लिमिटेशन भी समझ सकते हैं और उसका स्कोप जो है, मतलब क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे कार को ऑटोमेट करना, प्लेन को ऑटोमेट करना, ड्रोन को ऑटोमेट करना, लाइक दैट यू कैन डू इट। So friends, I am ending here. You can always send me, as I told you, I want 2-3 screenshots on my phone, on my personal WhatsApp. I am in your group, so you can easily get my role on my phone number and visit that site by using Mozilla or some other browser and try to learn how to use FTP. You have used only HTTP, so that is also objective. So there are a lot many protocols, HTTP, SMTP, email and all that. Just try to learn it. So later tomorrow we shall talk about different types of intelligent systems. So as I told you that AI is not simply सिंगल टॉपिक। एआई मतलब ऐसा एकदम आसमान से पैदा नहीं हुआ। देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिसिप्लिन्स, लाइक फिलोसॉफी इज देयर, मैथमेटिक्स इज देयर, इकोनॉमिक्स इज देयर, जैसे स्टॉक मार्केट, न्यूरो साइंस इज देयर, साइकोलॉजी इज देयर, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग इज देयर, दिस इज डिसिप्लिन। कंट्रोल एंड साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड cybernetics is there, and linguistic, natural language processing is there. 7, 8, 9, 10 different disciplines are there, areas are there, and from that AI emerge. वो ऐसा एकदम डायरेक्टली ऐसा ऊपर से नहीं आया, तो that we have to learn. So I will stop here, and I am thankful to all listening me patiently, but I am not satisfied. I want at least 2-3 questions in every session. So I will stop this recording. I will put this recording on